What's your name?
My name is Lily.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a photographer.
Do you study English?
Yes, I do. I started learning when I was in school, but now I'm studying more seriously.
Why are you learning English?
I want to work with people from different countries and maybe live abroad one day.
Punta ka dito, halika. Yeah, o dito ka. Dali, may ano tayo, may critiquing tayo na mangyayari based on your performance. So I'm going to say something naman about your performance para at least alam mo naman kung ano yung i-improve natin sa susunod. You understand? Okay, so let's start. Sige, ano gusto mo unahin natin? Yung strength mo o yung weakness?
Ano sir, yung weakness.
Weakness. Now, dapat kasi yung ang teacher should roam around para malaman mo yung mga estudyante mo ano yung ginagawa nila, nangyayari sa buong klase. So na-manage mo yung classes natin. So, ano napansin ko, parang nasa platform ka lang. Most of the time, you go to left, you go to right. So dapat you roam around para mas ma-monitor mo yung estudyante mo. Pero mas madaming strength. Your visual aids are huge and clean. Gusto ko yung dalawa lang yung kulay na nakikita ko kasi high school naman na ito eh. Hindi naman ito elementary ng mga bata. Di ba? Because you're a secondary science teacher. So, naangkop lang yung materials mo na ganun. It is so clear that you integrate technology. Bongga yun, perfect one. And lastly, your assessment was so relevant to the topic. And ang pinaka gusto ko is that bumalik tayo sa objectives. Make sure mo talaga na na-achieve natin yung objectives at the end of the class. Well, very